next performer. So give a round of applause for our noticed personality of our band. So give a round of applause for Prince sir.
Hello, am I audible for everyone? I continue, sir. Good morning to everyone. I warmly welcome to each and everyone who present here. Thank you all for having me. Today is a very great occasion for us because today we got freedom from the British government. But do know one thing, without wasting time, I am directly gonna on my topic because we already have introduced ourselves and I know we all know each other. So my topic is patriotism and civic sense. We all know that when we love a country deeply, that is called a patriotism. But can you know what is the real meaning of patriotism? Patriotism does not mean that how louder you can say that I love my country, I deeply love my country. No, it means that when the camera is off, how you are treating a country. It means that we all are Gen Z, and there's a very good example I want to tell you all. We all know that whenever we fall in a love with someone, so that we are directly say that I love you. But do you know thing? When we need to prove it, so what we do care. That is the relation between a patriotism and the civic sense. Patriotism means when we are saying that I love you, but civic sense is like how we are going to prove that. And nowadays, I think no one is proving the love against in our country. We got the 18th Independence Day. It means that we are celebrating 18th Independence Day, but still we are not developed. Do you know why? Because of the civic sense. Civic sense is not developed in any country. Sorry, civic sense is not much developed in our country. And why I am saying you all guys know very well, because you all guys have thrown the garbages on the road. And do you know what is the problem? The main two issues I want to say that how it's going on and how can we stop it. So first thing is that how it's going on. Do you know guys one thing? It's our childhood habit. When we were child, so what our mom and father say that घर का कचरा है बाहर फेंक दो. They will never teach you that बाहर भी जो है ना वो हमारे देश का ही पार्ट है. तो we all need to clean all over our country. Just imagine that we all clean our room and throw the garbage on the behind of our house. But do you really think that this is the good? No. हम अपने घर को साफ रखते हैं और अपने देश को गंदा रखते हैं. That is not a real patriotism. And you know there's a very good Sanskrit line in a Ramcharitmanas. Ramcharitmanas, it clearly says that Janani Janmabhoomi Sarvada Garishyami. It means that nothing is bigger than our motherland. And just imagine that if our motherland is not good, if our motherland will be the dirty, then how can we be progress? Suppose that there's a very good example. Suppose that we are a family, and just imagine that our mother is sick, then who will be decorate our home? No one. We cannot decorate. And do you know how can we stop it? So there's a very good thing. First, we have to get a habit from our childhood. When we are, do you know guys, when we were in a class, so we all know the Pythagoras, trigonometry, we all know about it. It's a very simple, we can easily learn. But do you know one thing? Also a part should be in our textbook. That name is civic sense. I want to give a very good example of a very developed country, Japan and Denmark. They all know very well how to throw the garbages. They have in a class 9, they have a chapter which is related to a civic sense. Just imagine that if a child is born and after the 2 or 3 years, he get a habit of how to clean a country, how to clean the roads. So definitely in the next 5 or 10 years, our country will be going to be too much beautiful. And do you know one thing that it's not a fault of only citizens. It's also a fault of our government. Just imagine that we know that we are traveling on a road and there's no any garbages, dustbins are available on a 5 kilometer and on a 10 kilometer. Then where we will be throw the garbages? But do you know, in a Denmark, there's every 2 kilometers there's a dustbin, and do you know there's no only one dustbin. There's 10 types of dustbin, and Indians are still confused that what is gila kachra and what is sukha kachra. Just imagine that if we are not understand कौन सा गीला कचरा है कौन सा सूखा कचरा है, so how will we going to be a decorate the 10 bin for the dustbin? So first we need to learn from our childhood, and also government should do something. There's a very good example. Suppose that a person who live in a dirty area, okay, he will be going in a clean area if he will be not throw the garbages. Why? Because he know very well there's a clean. If I will throw the garbages, then everyone will be start looking on me, and that's a very shameful. The same thing means that if we will be continue to do civic sense, if we will be continue to clean our country, so in the future we will be very fear, we will be got a fear that how we have to make our country very beautiful. That's all about thing. In the last, I just want to say one thing that हमें कचरा साफ नहीं करना है, हमें कचरे को फेंकने से बंद करना है. अगर हम कचरा फेंकना ही बंद करेंगे ना तो वो चीजें ऑटोमेटिकली स्टॉप हो जाएंगी. फॉर example, today we know that what we say on our river Ganga Maiya, but do you know Ganga Maiya का हालत क्या है? It's too dirty from us. Why? Because on a Chhat Puja, I'm not here spiritually or personally targeting anyone, but do you know in a Chhat Puja we throw the lots of garbage in the Chhati Maiya, and that is a very shameful earth. Just imagine that a river we are treating like a mother, it is still dirty, but in other country a river is just like a treat a river is very clean. Why? This is the thought of mentality. First we need to change our mentality, and then we will make our country better. That's all about it. Thank you for listening to us.
What a wonderful performance by the Prince sir about civic sense, because we all have to familiar with it. Civic sense is very important in our country, because with the help of civic sense we can clean our India, because our home is not important. जैसे हम अपने घर को साफ रखते हैं वैसे ये देश हमारा ही है, so हमको इसको भी साफ रखना होगा. So give a round of applause to Prince sir.